Collinsonia canadensis, Allen's keynotes, stone root, family, Labiati. Pelvic and portal congestion resulting in dysmenorrhea and hemorrhoids. Congestion of pelvic viscera with hemorrhoids, especially in latter months of pregnancy. Dropsy from cardiac disease. Palpitation in patients subject to piles and indigestion. Heart's action persistently rapid but weak. After heart is relieved, old piles reappear or suppressed, menses return. I repeat, after heart is relieved, old piles reappear or suppressed, menses return. Chronic, painful, bleeding piles, sensation as if sticks, sand, or gravel had lodged in rectum. Hemorrhoidal dysentery with tenesmus, alternate constipation and diarrhea, congestive inertia of lower bowel, stools sluggish and hard with pain and great flatulence, constipation. Pruritus in pregnancy with hemorrhoids, unable to lie down. Relations in heart disease complicated with hemorrhoids, consult Collinsonia when Cactus digitalis and other remedies fail. Has cured colic after colchicum and nux had failed. Compare Aesculus, aloes, chamomilla, nux, sulfur. Aggravation. The slightest mental emotion or excitement aggravates the symptoms. Collinsonia canadensis, Boric materia medica, stone root. Pelvic and portal congestion resulting hemorrhoids and constipation, especially in females, depressed arterial tension, general atony of muscular fiber, chronic nasal, gastric and pharyngeal catarrh due to portal obstruction, dropsy from cardiac disease, pruritus in pregnancy with piles, constipation of children from intestinal atony, said to be of special value when given before operations for rectal diseases, sense of weight and constriction, venous engorgement. Head, dull frontal headache from suppressed hemorrhoids, chronic catarrh, yellow coated tongue, bitter taste. Rectum, sensation of sharp sticks in rectum, sense of constriction, vascular engorgement of rectum, dry feces, most obstinate constipation with protruding hemorrhoids, aching in anus and hypogastrium, constipation during pregnancy with membranous dysmenorrhea following labor. Painful bleeding piles, dysentery with tenesmus, alternate constipation and diarrhea and great flatulence, itching of anus. Female, dysmenorrhea, pruritus of vulva, prolapse of womb, swelling and dark redness of genitals, pain on sitting down. Membranous dysmenorrhea with constipation, pruritus, cold feeling in thighs after menstruation. I repeat, cold feeling in thighs after menstruation, sensation of swelling of labia and of clitoris, respiratory, cough from excessive use of voice, ministers sore throat, sharp pain in larynx, hoarseness, harassing dry cough. Heart, palpitation, rapid but weak, dropsy. After heart symptoms relieved, piles or menses return, chest pains alternate with hemorrhoids, operation, faintness and dyspnea. Modalities, worse, from the slightest mental emotion or excitement, cold, better from heat. Relationship, antidote, nux vomica. Compare Aesculus, aloes, hamamelis, sulfur, nux. Dose, tincture to third attenuation, higher potencies where there is organic heart affection.